Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix video stuttering and lagging issues in Windows 11, 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click System, click Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters, click Run under Video Playback. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapters, right-click Display Adapter, click Update Driver. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Video Playback. Turn off Save Network Bandwidth by playing video at a lower resolution. Fourth method is click Start, Microsoft Store. Click Library, click Get Updates. Fifth method is type Internet Options in Windows search bar, click Internet Options. Click Advanced tab, check Use Software Rendering instead of GPU Rendering. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.